Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the video quality on Disneyplus application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the avatar section or your profile picture. So tap on the avatar picture, which is the last icon down below. Then click on app settings. And then in the middle of the screen you can read video quality. So tap on it if you would like to change it to high or to standard, since it is set to medium this moment. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.